Video number 3. There's the pains of not knowing exactly what you're doing and doing something the first time and cutting away too much. You gotta go back and find scrap pieces of metal or get new ones and just build things and fill it in. Yep. Yeah, I'm being brutally honest here about my own work. But, there you can see how high that is. I've got to get it to come down. Gotta get my vice grips and get this piece pinched together and stuck in there. Where that fits right. That's not too big a deal. Now, this piece right here, I was talking about, I think in the first video, I thought it all went on top because that channel's up there. What I've come to the assumption of is this piece right here, I've got to cut it loose from the window channel that is on what I call the skeleton of the car and get this piece to fit under right there but still stay on top here. This part right here has got to be sucked in, clamped down with some vice grips, welded together. I need to get it to move towards the front of the car. It's hard to see. There's a gap right in there. Little gap here. Here's the hole I was talking about that passed over this car, cut it off, put a quarter panel on, and it was put on completely crooked. I mean, the front half lined up with the body line here, but the back half was about 3/4 of an inch low. The inner or the outer wheel well was welded on crooked. It was all a mess. I had to take all that apart and fix it. But I'm getting there. Get back and try to get the whole picture of it. One step at a time.